Hey everybody, in this video, we're gonna learn how to set up AutoPay on your Wells Fargo business credit card. We'll also put some links in the description below for you to sign up if you're interested in signing up for a new business bank account, like the bank account which we use Novo, which we really like. And we have been using Nav Prime, which has helped us build business credit as well. So we'll put those links in the description below. All right, let's get started. All right, on this screen, enter your user ID and password and then click on sign on. All right, once you're signed in, on this page, you will see your credit card listed there. For me, it's Signify Business Credit Card. So whatever your credit card is with Wells Fargo, go ahead and click on that. Just go ahead and click on the credit card that is listed there once you log in. And on this screen, click on Make Payment. So go ahead and click on Make Payment. And on this screen, click on the drop down and select the bank account from which you want to make the payment. And once you have selected the bank account, you will see a drop down for frequency. So right now it may be showing once. Go ahead and click on that and select monthly. All right, now you can see that it's going to start for me on 12th of December. That's my due date. And now you can select the amount. So I am going to select the minimum balance. But if you want to pay the entire credit card balance, you can choose last balance as well. But in this example, I'm going to use minimum due. And then click on continue. Now on this screen, it's asking whether you are transferring from a business account or a personal account. So if you have used your business account to pay this minimum amount due, then select business. If it's a personal account, which we don't recommend, then choose personal. But in my case, I used a business bank account to pay this business credit card. All right, on this screen, you can verify everything if everything looks good. And if everything looks good, click on submit. So that's it. Your AutoPay is set up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as check out the links in the description below. Have a great day, guys. Love you.